Hi amazers, welcome back and hope you're doing well. So today we'll look at parallel lines and triangles, and I recommend you watch the previous video on parallel lines. I've explained what are parallel lines, so today we're gonna do both of them. But before I start, we'll look at rudimentary of triangles. So we have different types of triangles. We have a scalene whereby all angles are different, so C plus A plus B would give us 180. Then we have right angles. So right angle, this angle over here is 90 degree. So this line is perpendicular to this line, forming a 90 degree. Then we have isosceles triangle, whereby this angle here is the same as B. So it's denoted by these two lines. So these two angles down here are equal. Sorry, my bad. This one would also be A. So if this is A, this also will be A. And let me draw another different isosceles triangle. So if this is B, this would be B, because these two lines are equal, therefore these two angles are equal. And then the last type of triangle we have is equilateral. It's denoted by this these three things, and it means that if this is B, B and B. So what do we understand by equilateral? It means all the angles are equal, and we know that angles add up to 180, so divided by 3, that would give us 60. So for equilateral, all the time the angles will be 60 degrees. Now let's combine the parallel and triangles. Okay, so let's apply what we have learned so far. So we start from known to unknown. So find the immediate angle, which is this one. Okay, so that's a straight line. Angles on a straight line add up to 180. So that one would be 70 degrees. Now this one, it's an isosceles triangles, and this and that are equal. So we do 180. Angles in a triangle add up to 180. So 180 minus 70, that would be 110. Divide this one by 2, you get 55 degrees. So each side is 55 degrees. Now using alternate angles, this angle is equal to that one. So if this is 55, then C also will be 55 degrees. So therefore B equals to 55 isosceles triangle. Then C would be 55 as well, because alternate angles are equal. Please don't mind my handwriting. So let's move on to the second example. Okay, so number 2, we have right away we can say this is 90 degree. So there, 90 degree. Then AQB is a triangle, therefore all the angles will add up to 180. So we do 180 minus 90 degree, then minus 35 degree, and that would give us 55 degrees. Therefore this angle over here is 55 degrees. Okay, so I need to find X. Now when you look at this one, if I can trace out, you have a Z angle here. So if I can trace it out, we have B and we have Q, and this is X. This is 55. So these two are alternate angles, so you're gonna see that X equals to 55 degrees. Sorry. So this is Z, which is Z over here. So this would be alternate angles are equal. Then this one is triangle. Angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So that's number 2. Okay, number 3. So always remember to start from known to unknown. So this is a straight line. ABC is a straight line, therefore this one, we can find that angle. So we say 180 minus 60 would be 120. So angles on a straight line add up to 180. Okay, so this is 120. Now using interior angles like formed by which forms letter C, so we can say this 120 plus this one would give us 180. So 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees. And also using alternate angles, you can say this is equal to that. Okay, so if this is 60, now that's a straight line. So 60 plus that would give us 180. So we come and say 180 minus 60 minus 80. That would be 40 degrees. Therefore, 40 degrees there. And then when you look at this one, it's an alternate angle. So that's a Z. Okay, I've traced out the alternate angle again with black. So we have the Z. This is 40. Therefore, even this one would be 40. So we can say that X equals to 40. This is alternate angles. So and then this one we said it was a straight line. And then this one we said it is interior angles. Okay, so now let's go on to question number 4. Okay, so here we have an isosceles, so we can say ADE is an isosceles triangle. So using alternate angles, this angle here is the same as this one. Okay, so we can say that AED 38 degrees because of alternate angles are equal. Okay, so now this is isosceles. We have one angle there, so we can do now 180 minus 38, and that would give us 142. So these two add up to 142. They are the same, so divide by 2 and you get 71. So 71 over here, 71. Okay, then we can find X using 2 ways. So we can use the alternate angle, which is that one is equal to X. So let's do the alternate angle first. So 71 plus 38, that is the same as 109. Alternate angle, or we can say that this is a straight line, therefore this plus this is 180. So 180 minus 71, that would give us 109. So you see, you can kill one bird. Do we normally say we can kill one bird with 2 stones? Yeah, so you can arrive on, you can get the answer using different methods as long as you've understood all the methods. Now on to the last question. So here number 5, the last one, last but not least, we can combine everything. We can start with U, we can start with D, either. So let's start with U. These two are vertically opposite, so we can say U is 16 degrees because vertically opposite angles are equal. So come and write here 16. Okay, then this one is a straight line, so we can say 180 minus 70 would give us D, that is 110. Therefore this is 110. So for D we have used a straight line, add up to 180. So this one vertically opposite, they're equal. Okay, so now we can find Y. This is a triangle, so therefore Y plus 16 plus 70 equals to 180. Therefore Y plus 80 is equals to 180. Y equals to 180 minus 86. And that is 94 degree. So Y equals to 94. Y and P are vertically opposite. So, okay, this one is 94 angles in a triangle. Add up to 180. And therefore we're saying P is vertically opposite. So this is 94 degrees. Sorry, P, okay, these two are vertically opposite to each other. So P is 94 degrees, so vertically opposite. Okay, now to find S, so S is equivalent to 16 because of alternate angles. So this one you can say it's 16 degrees. S is 16 degrees alternate angles. And last but not least, Q is vertically opposite, so Q also would be 16 degrees. So Q is 16 degrees. And we can say this one is vertically opposite. So I hope you've understood everything and you can kill one bird with two stones. Yeah, so just for practice, maybe we can find the missing angles. So 180 minus this one, because angles on a straight line add up to 180. So this one would be 164. And then angles on a straight line add up to 180. This one would be 110. And therefore this one would be 70, because interior angles add up to 180. 70 plus 110 is 180. So yeah, that will be it for today's lesson. I hope you've understood everything. Thank you for watching till the end. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment, and let me know which other topics you'd wish for me to review with you guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.